Hello students, welcome to class once again. I am Miss Vera and today we'll be talking about machines. Okay, at the end of this lesson, we should be able to understand what machines are. We should be able to identify the types of machines and give examples of simple machines. A machine is a device that allows work to be done more easily and faster. Okay, we have two types of machines. We have the simple machines and the compound or complex machines. As we go forward, you understand what both of them mean. Okay, your simple machines are machines that can be made easily. They can be constructed so easily. And these machines have one or very few moving parts. So they can be made easily and they have very few moving parts. And finally, these simple machines work by changing direction or the amount of force applied. Examples of simple machines include the following listed on the slide. The first is the levers. The second, we have the wheel and axle. Third, we have the pulleys. Fourth, we have the inclined planes. The fifth, we have the wedge. And the last one, the screw. Most of us have encountered some of the simple machines. As I give more simpler examples, you understand. Let's go. The wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is a simple machine, a simple tool that helps make work easier. The wheel turns around the axle to move objects. And an example of this is your vehicles. They have wheels. Next, we have the pulley. A pulley is a tool with a wheel and a rope. It is used to lift or move loads, and it can be found in flagpoles and sailboats. You must have seen a flagpole before. The same way the flag is attached to a rope and is being drawn over on one side. That is an example of a pulley. Levers. A lever is a device that rests on a fulcrum. It is used to lift or move loads. A very good example is your wheelbarrow. Now, a wheelbarrow has wheels, it has a handle, and it has the container that is used to keep or store things. Now, the fulcrum is the wheels that helps in pushing the load being placed in a wheelbarrow with the help of the handle. So that is an example of a simple machine. The next is a wedge. A wedge is a tool that narrows to a thin edge. And an example of a wedge is an axe. In the forest, some farmers use axe to cut down trees. This is only possible because of the wedge of the axe that is used to cut down the trees very easily. A screw. Now, screws are simple tool rods with edges around a pole. Screws are simple tool rods with edges around a pole. An inclined plane is a tool with a flat surface and elevated on one side. An inclined plane is a tool with a flat surface that is elevated at one end. An example of an inclined plane is a ramp. Okay, and you can see the pictures of it on both sides of the slide. End of the class. It's quiz time. Mention 3 ways the machines can be useful to you. Alright, so we've come to the end of today's class. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for listening and see you again in my next class. Bye.